Hello, my name is Martin Skoumal. I work as a project manager in Department of Traffic Light Control in Cross Zlín, Czech Republic. I would like to show you today how to unbox our new traffic light controller RS5. So let me start with a bigger box. Which in general contains two parts. Part number one is a little box which contains cables. Configuration of cables depends on particular configuration of controller for a specific crossroad, indeed. So I have here samples of them. So this one is a cable for connecting input and output cards. Here we have a cable for connection of switch cards. Then a cable for connectivity of switch cards to power. And finally, a cable for main supply to the whole controller. There are also two mechanical pieces for the installation of a controller into cabinet. Now let's move on to the controller itself. It's protected from two sides to prevent damage during transportation. Okay, and now the controller is ready for installation into electrical cabinet.